While we're busy enjoying our summer, back to school is just around the corner, and that means lunch and snack time meal prep is up on us. But don't worry, because I have a nutritious and delicious combo that the kids and us grown-ups will love. We're making chicken taco pinwheel boxes. So for the pinwheels, you'll need green onions thinly sliced, shredded rotisserie chicken breast meat, cream cheese softened, refrigerated prepared guacamole, shredded Mexican cheese blend, finely chopped red bell pepper, taco seasoning, thinly sliced romaine lettuce, and flour tortillas. I also have a Honeycrisp apple, cored and thinly sliced, some sunflower seed butter, and these compartment food storage containers to put it all together. In a large bowl, you're going to start with the onions, chicken, cream cheese, guacamole, red bell pepper, and Mexican cheese, and the taco seasoning. Stir this together until well combined. Once that's done, spread the onion mixture onto your tortilla, top it with the lettuce, and roll it up tightly. Grab some plastic wrap and wrap each one individually, and into the refrigerator it goes for 1 hour. It's really important that you let these sit in the refrigerator so that all those flavors can melt together and the tortilla will stay rolled and enclosed when you cut them. Okay, it's been about an hour. Let's remove the plastic wrap from the tortillas and cut each roll crosswise into 1 1/4 inch thick slices. You'll get about 24 pinwheels out of this recipe, so you will have plenty. I have my containers here, and I'm going to divide the pinwheels into one compartment, the apple slices into this compartment, and the last one is for the sunflower seed butter. Place the lids on, and these will stay in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This is another one of those recipes where you can omit or add to it for your liking. If you don't want the chicken, you can use black beans. For a vegetarian option, you can also add some sliced celery along with the apples to dip in the butter, and it is so tasty. Easy peasy, huh? And might I remind you that it's healthy as well. You've got your protein, your veggies inside the pinwheel. You've got your fruit to dip in the sweet sunflower seed butter. You can't beat this. Be sure to grab the Gathering Summers magazine for this recipe and more ideas from your local price chopper. See you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.